Hey, what's up everybody? YL with Crypto 10X. How are you guys doing in Panama? I always wanted to make money online. I always wanted to live anywhere in the world while working from my laptop, and I searched for a couple things and they never really worked out. I was a real estate agent back home in Ottawa. It was pretty good, but it wasn't my dream, and that's working from my laptop, traveling any country I want to, and just, working online, becoming a laptop millionaire. I was broke before and just tried different, things to make money online, internet marketing, email marketing, whatever it is. It wasn't really my thing. And, I just stumbled onto cryptocurrency, and it's really worked out for me. It's taken me to my dreams. It's taking me to work from my laptop, get this new car, live by the ocean, which has always been my dream, living by the water, going to the beach whenever. So there's multiple ways to make money with cryptocurrency. You can just buy and hold. It's going up. The market's just evolving. Everybody thinks they're late to get in, but it's still a new market. I still see it going 5x, 10x. The technology is here to stay. The coins, there's tons of them, so there's tons of new investments. So you could buy and hold. You can trade intraday like Forex. You could mine coins, you could stake them, you can set up masternodes, you can participate in initial coin offering, which offer huge potentials to 5x, 10x. Some ICOs this year done 100x, 200x. So there's tons of ways to make money online, especially in cryptocurrency. Hey, what's up? Thank you for watching my video. It was just some of my thoughts. I wasn't planning on releasing it, but I wanted to because cryptocurrency has changed my life. It's taken me from literally, zero to my dreams, and I think that cryptocurrency can do that for you as well, and it can do that for anybody actually. And my intention is to help as many people, educate as many people, and get them started with cryptocurrency and let them experience it and start making some money. So what we've done, Crypto 10X has put together a 3-video series which we're going to release back to back. It's going to be some great resources, tips, knowledge that you can add to your crypto trading toolbox and start using it right away. So it's very important that you subscribe so you're first to get these videos. Make sure you join our Facebook, our YouTube, our Twitter, and our Discord for all the value we're giving out. Soon we're going to be a paid channel, so make sure you get in before. Make sure you start taking our resources before we move on to a new platform. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.